Good morning mga ka-CE. Today ang ide-develop natin yung front elevation. From our quiz tutu, I will just copy this. Place it at a certain distance to the right. Let's say 25,000. And then, tatanggalin ko lang yung mga hindi ko na kailangan kasi pangpalito lang yan. Okay? Ang importante, makikita natin yung mga ilalagay natin sa front elevation, right, left, and rear elevations. So, ang naiwan lang, yung mga walls, columns, and windows, and including doors. Notice na niretain ko yung mga permanent fixtures. Okay? Like CR, tsaka yung kitchen. Next, i-develop ko na ngayon yung front elevation. We start with a horizontal line. And then, pangalanan natin ito as our natural grade line. Or NGL. Next is yung finished floor line sa loob, which is 300 mm from the natural grade line. Okay, so that is FFL or finish floor line. After that, taas tayo ng, let's say, 900 from the finished floor line. This is the window, okay? Bottom of window. Next, from the finished floor line, tataas ako ng 2,100. And that is top of door and window. From finished floor line again, tataas ako ng 2,700. Yan yung ceiling line. Okay? So, 2.7 meters ang pinakamaliit na ceiling line sa ground floor. Kapag mas malaki ang area mo, ang floor area mo, syempre, obviously, kailangan mo ring itaas ang iyong ceiling line. Ceiling line is the clear distance from the finished floor line up to the ceiling. Tapos, from finished floor line to top of beam would be 3,100. So, top of beam yan, and I have a distance of 400 from the ceiling line. Ibig sabihin, dito na nakatago yung mga beams. Now, let's check the distances. From natural grade line to finished floor line, that is 300. From finished floor line to bottom of window, 900. From finished floor line to top of door, 2.1 meters. And then from finished floor line to ceiling line, that is 2.7 meters. And then from top of beam to finished floor line is 3.1 meters. Okay, so from top of beam down to natural grade line, that is 3.4 meters. Next is, yung mga dimensions na yan, pagilid ko lang dito. Yan. Next, i-develop na natin ngayon ang ating roofing plan. So from the center of my column, let's say, mag-generate ako ng line na 1 meter. Okay? Ito na ngayon yung extent ng aking trusses. So, ang truss, yan yung frame na bumubuhat sa purlins, tapos yung purlins naman ang bumubuhat sa yero. So, this line is 1 meter from the center of the column. Okay? Next, magde-develop din ako ng line na 1 meter sa likod from center of column. And then, ganun din dito sa sides. And then, pati na rin sa harapan. So this is the outline of my roof. Okay? Also the outline of my trusses. Take note that this is 1 meter from the center of column on all sides. Including the garage. Next, I will color these lines to red. Next, from this center, develop ako ng line dyan. Let's say, itong line na yan, extend ko muna dito. Okay? So, disregard muna natin ito. For now. Yung garage. Next. So, kung may imagine mo, yung bubong mo, parang dalawang slope lang. Okay? Slope to the left and then slope to the right. Ngayon, gagawa ako ng sloping sa harapan. So, gagawa ako ng diagonal line from each corner sa harapan. Let's say, ayan. Then, I will just mirror this. And then, you can now delete this part of your line. So now I have a roof with 3 slopes. Pero meron tayong garage dito. Okay? Ngayon, yung garage mo, obviously, dalawang slope to the right tsaka yung to the left. Next is from this line, center, mag-generate ka hanggang mag-intersect siya dito sa line na yan. Okay? So, palalampasin ko lang and then I will trim. Next is, notice na this part of your roof is tuloy-tuloy siya hanggang dito sa roof ng garage. So, I will trim this. Ganyan. Likewise, trim ko na rin yan. Now, you can imagine na itong slope ng roof, dediretso na yan hanggang dito sa garage. Next is, yung slope sa harapan mo magiging dalawa na. Okay? So, yung slope na yan, tsaka yung slope ng garage. Now, all you have to do is to connect this line going there. Okay? So, it's that simple. And, as a check, dapat, kung maganda yung slope, para maging tama yung slope, this line should be parallel to this line of your garage. Okay? So, if you will check, dapat mag-intersect sila dito. Okay? So, everything is correct. Next is, magde-develop na tayo ngayon ng columns naman. So, I will copy this. So, gagawa ako ng line from this part of the column extending down to the natural grade line. Then, change this to yellow. Okay? Yellow dahil yellow na yung color ng column. And then I will copy this, paste it here. So sa lahat ng mga columns na makikita mo sa harapan, gagawan mo ng line. Okay, next. I-trim na natin yung mga lines. Siyempre, hindi siya lalampas sa top of beam. Okay, next. From the top of beam, let's say, gagawa tayo ng 200 by 300 mm na beam. So, at 200, let's say 250 na lang, 250 by 300 mm na beam. Okay, so 300 ang kanyang height, 250 ang width ng beam. So, take note na ito yung top of beam. So, I will just copy that going down by 300. Sorry. Next is, I will color these two lines yellow. So, beams and columns is color yellow. Next, remember that my column is 250 by 250. Okay, 250 by 250. So, kung i-drawing ko yan in front elevation, ganito ang mangyayari. So, trim ko ito. Ganyan. Yan. Okay? So, mapapansin mo yung column, dire-diretso yan hanggang sa taas. And then, ito yung beam. Okay, so nagkataon na yung column is 250 and then the beam is also 250 by 300. What if yung beam, ginawa kong 200 by 300. So, ganito ang mangyayari. Ngayon, let's say, wala tayong na-establish na line. So, ang ginawa ko ngayon, yung figure na yan, i-move ko, this is my base point, yung gitna. Dito lang sa gilid. Since alam ko yung dimension nitong column, tapos, alam ko naman na itong beam, nandyan sa gitna. Okay, yung gitna ng beam, ito, naka-align dito. So, I will just move that by 1 to 5. See? So, yan ngayon yung ating beam. Okay? So, notice na sa loob ng bahay mo, hindi mo makikita sa taas yung mga beams kasi natakpan na siya ng ceiling line.